Hello friends, now this is the last mode of time of 5 IC and that's a bistable mode. As its a name indicates, bi means 2, means what it will do whenever you will trigger this, then it will either go on or high or low. Okay, so here we have some, this mode is also called as a flip-flop. So let's see what exactly the bistable mode of the operation is and how the connection will go. As you guys know what exactly the flip-flop circuit is, because we already posted that video on our channel, so just go and check the video. So let's start with the circuit connection and we go through the properties first. Let's create a project. As we have already done with the astable and monostable mode of operation, you can go and check the video. There is a playlist available on the channel. So just subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Here I'll just fast forward the video of component selection and placement of it with the connection to get the length of video short. In a bistable mode, reset pin is not directly connected to the VCC. There is a pull-up resistor between the VCC and the reset pin, and there should be push button that will ground the 5 volt or the VCC through it. And same is applicable for the trigger pin, that is for pin number 2 also. And inside the 555 there are comparators and they will allow to get the high and low output, and that's the only mechanism over here. So here we will get the output at pin number 3. Here we are almost done with the connection, and now we will see the output what exactly we are getting. Here we have done with the circuit connection, and we will just save the circuit and we'll start simulation. Now here what will you see? Our LED is turned on. That means we have voltage at the output. Our motor is also turned on. There is no need to trigger it like in a monostable mode. So what here will happen when we push the reset button, it will turn off and will not turn on again, because whenever we push this reset button, our voltage, that current that is flowing from R1 will directly ground through the switch, and reset pin will goes low and allow this to turn off. Now when we press the trigger button, it will start the motor and will give the output. Like monostable mode, we are not getting output only for the button we pressed or we have the connection to the ground. Till that time we are not, it is not happening here in a bistable mode, or we can say in a flip-flop. So what happened over here, once you get the, you give the voltage, or you just make this to the low, the trigger pin will low, allows current to flow through the output and we are getting the output. Once the reset pin will go low, it will turn it off, and this is how the flip-flop circuit is working. Hope you understand the video and getting what exactly the flip-flop circuit is working. Now if you want, you can see that on a oscilloscope. So what here you will see, once we are getting high, we are getting reset pin low, we will get low state at output, and once we getting trigger pin low, we are getting low at the output. Now you can see at pin number 2, that means at a blue we have the output. So you can see at a, there is some noise, or we can say there is some small pulses you are getting. If you give the reset, the pin will go low, and if you give the trigger, pin will go high. And this you can see, like you will, okay, so in a reset pin will low, and in a trigger pin will go high. This is how the bistable or flip-flop is working. Just share with your friends and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Press bell icon to get the latest videos notification, because every day we are here with the new exciting videos of electronics. Thank you.